gotta run down turkey barns and start hauling out litter. As the other day, if you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and stuff, you would have seen a little bit of it. We were pushing litter up. We just go through and we'll take out like under the feed line and under a lot of the waters where it's real wet and nasty. Do like a partial clean out is what they call it. You just take out the wet nasty spots and the rest of it just lays there and gets moved around. So we shove all the wet nasty stuff up to a pile in the front of the barn, so when it gets frozen or whenever we can get to hauling it, we can go in there and use the tractor and start loading trucks and the skid loader to move the pile around, make it easier for a tractor to pick up. So going down there and do that right now. Yesterday we did start on corn, brought the combine and stuff back home, and got everything hooked up. When they changed all the sprockets and stuff this summer, the sprockets had changed. They for some reason didn't change two of the sprockets on a row. I didn't have the parts or something. I guess I didn't do much of that, but whatever happened to that, so we got that fixed now and got everything working. The combine set up pretty dang good, I think. Gotta check a little bit more on the ground, but if the ground's good, we're good, because I got a really nice sample right now. So alright, so I'm down here, I'm in the skid loader now. We got 2 loads loaded already. This here's one of I think we gotta save 90 ton for a neighbor wants some, so I think we're going to do probably 3 barns, and then the rest of it he can have the whole barn or the other one, be close enough. So yeah, I'm just sitting. Not a whole lot I can do. I kind of gotta go, because keep up with Dad. Because what we're doing is I use the skid loader, move all the stuff right there in front of the door because he can't get in here. So I put a pile there, that way he can scoop it and go dump on the truck that's sitting out there. That sits out there. We're waiting on a truck right now. The one left and he came back really fast and he wasn't unloaded all the way. Some got hung up in the back, so I thought he'd be back by now by the time he left, but he might have problems. So just keep sit here and do this for a while and maybe get to shelling corn later, I hope. We're getting there. I think this here's all we're going to do. It's actually pretty early right now. It's 10:30, so a little faster. It's only been 3 hours so far, 3.5. So about another 30-40 minutes, and then we'll see what we're going to do from there. That's it. We got everything loaded. We did end up coming into the last barn, grabbing a little bit, but there's still enough here. So I think we're going to go. I don't know. We might go grab another truck quick, get something to eat, and then go start shelling corn, I guess. So but this ain't bad here. We've been here since 7. It's 12 right now, so it's about 5 hours. And we're not done yet, but we did spend about an hour a week. So, and I said it was 10:30, and we didn't get started doing this again until probably pushing 11:30. So, alrighty. So do something else. Okay, we're at the elevator. I'm gonna bring this truck home. We'll have plenty of trucks sitting around to get loaded.
With locations in Piqua and Lima, ask about their vehicle.
Okay, very loud, thank you. Accidentally revert the high lever, put it in the high range. Oops. impressive.
Saturday, November 23rd. Savings are mail-in rebate.
Alrighty. Well, we're in the combine now, obviously, so first thing I need to do now is turn on my four-wheel drive, because this corn head is really heavy. So it's a Gehringhoff. It's in 20-inch row, so there's 18 row units on it. It's folding, so it's like 12 or 13,000 pounds, and our tires are full of fluid, but it's still awful heavy. So we're Dad's going to fill up that truck right now. Adam's going to take it, and then me and Dad are going to show here for a little bit and get Dad a load. That way he can get down there and Adam get back. Our goal is to get, I think, 4 loads down there, and there's already one down. So it's about an hour drive from here, round trip. So that's going to be the hope anyways, try to get that much done, and then we'll just fill stuff up and do it again tomorrow, I guess. So that'll be 4 loads, will almost be half of what we sold them. Actually, it probably will be, since these loads are a little heavy in just a little bit. Okay, turn separator on. It's all spinning. Turn my head on. It's all spinning, just like it's supposed to. Wake up my Gehringhoff computer. Unloading at 3 miles an hour. That's all she'll take. The corn's, this is probably 200 right here, 210, and it's wet, so it takes a lot of horsepower to grind through it. Plus, we got a little combine on a pretty big head. This is a Class 7 on a 30-foot, 20-inch head, so there's definitely a little more corn coming in, I think, than what a 12-row 30 would be. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It just feels like it. Other people say with their Class 7s, they can go through corn with a 12-row 30 at 5 mile an hour. So something's different, but I think there's just a lot more corn coming in 20-inch rows. Okay, you can see we got the truck moved where it needs to be. I got Aiden in the grain cart for now. So I'm just going to finish shelling a little bit back there. And then I'm going to start getting this field opened up all the way. We should have enough to hold that on the cart, and then we'll put it on the truck. I'm not going to let Aiden dump, but we'll just drive around. We'll get full, come back here and dump. Then we'll fill the cart, and that's all we can do till they get back. So for now, that's what we're going to do. And then once he's full and everything's full, I'm just going to do much of nothing. Because Adam will be back in probably 2 hours. So it'll take almost all that time to get everything opened up and ready to go, especially with Aiden helping me. Driving. I gotta come back here anyway and just try and make stuff simple for Aiden. So figured I'll just have him sit and I'll come up here and dump, and then since I need to go right over there anyway, I need to come down this way anyhow. So we got a full grain cart. I want to go out and dump it for him because I don't trust him. So what we're gonna do?
Okay so far?
Decent. Definitely could be a lot better.
Yeah, I know.
this truck's gonna be a little heavy. Definitely a legal load. Look. Whoa, what's that walking through my field up there? You guys can't see it probably. I see something moseying through my field. I can't tell what it is. What is that? It kind of looks like an animal. I don't know what kind of animal though. Well, he's coming closer. Good, I guess I'll move my stuff out of the way and see who wants to come in and ride. See what this could be. Whoa, whoa, what's this? What? Whoa, whoa, hey, yo, whoa. Whoa. Get off my combine! I never said you could be here. Who are you? Who are you and what do you do?
Huh? What?
Who are you and what do you do?
My name's Farmer G, or my real name's Keaton Atkins, and I farm 130 acres, corn and soybeans, and I took over my grandpa's farm this spring because he died of a major stroke. And yeah, just turned 15.
What are you doing in my cornfield?
Well, harvest is over, and I figured I'd just go looking for someone to help.
Okay. So you just walked through my lot of corn to
I
get
take
here?
a piss on it too.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
It's pioneer corn. You're not allowed to piss on that.
Sorry, I thought it was agrigold.
No. God, I didn't think he was ever going to leave. But anyway, I let Farmer G shell some corn. He's never shelled corn before because he has all this combine and custom hired out. So, Dom, go away. Shh, you're interrupting me. But anyway, he hasn't ever really ran a combine before. He's cut beans with us a little bit in the old red combine, so he did pretty good. He needs some work definitely on following your rows and stuff.
Where's my camera?
In here if you want it. But so that's what we're doing for now. We got a little bit more corn to shell and then we're gonna be out. So and that tinging that you hear right now is the oh, we don't get the tractor at the needle. Yep, there we go. That tinging you hear is a feeder house bar or something's bent. We just started doing it, so we'll deal with that here later. This is really hard to do when you got to steer the combine. Yeah, it takes 3 hands, but I don't have 3 hands. Waiting. I got to dump before I get turned around, so I'm not quite full, but I'm pretty close to full. Yeah. That'll make a nice picture. I think we'll do that. Okay, I think I got my picture. It's hard work being a cameraman. You know that? Real difficult. And then there's my grain cart. Hey Dom, is it awkward we got 2 cameras pointing at each other?
I did not know that.
Yeah, what we do. Okay.
I'll be using this audio. I'm talking to it.
Okay, good. It better not sound gay.
I turned the radio off so you don't have any copyright.
That's fine. My last video is all copyrighted because I had the Luke Bryan music in it.
I'm up Pullman. Whoops.
You what?
I picked up on all.
Yo.
Well, I guess I'm helping Austin run grain cart right now. He's over there. I don't know if you can really see him, but he's got another part of the field to open up. I'm just running grain cart. Probably going to finish filling up the rest of the truck, and then fill the grain cart up and be done for tonight. So I just got done dumping the truck. That's why we're sitting here and dumping on the standstill. We wouldn't normally do that. He just got full enough he couldn't make it back.
Is it awkward you got two cameras pointing at each other?
I did not know that.
Yeah, we do. Okay.
You better be using this audio. I'm talking to it.
Good, good. It better not sound gay.
I turned the radio off so you don't have any copyright.
Actually, my last video is all copyrighted because I had the Luke Bryan music in it.
Pullman. Oh, I can't cuss. Whoops. Oh, now I have to get out of his way. That's gonna be the fun part.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. Or all we're going to do here now is just finish cleaning up the, maybe truckload. There's, see, we're using dump trucks, so there's probably a load and a half, maybe 2 or 3 loads in there yet. I don't know quite for sure. I haven't been in there yet. Anyway, that's going to be it. If you guys enjoy what you saw, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Pullman Farms and Snapchat at FarmBrothers3. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.
Crack it.